Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. So in the previous video, we have already learned about the basic introduction about the Roman numerals. Okay, so today's video is made for you in order to learn the rules properly, how to write the Roman numerals without a mistake. Okay, shall we move into the class? Yes. So the first and the foremost rule for writing a Roman numeral is if the smaller symbol is to the left of bigger symbol, we should subtract. What we should do? Subtract. So if a smaller symbol is to the left of the bigger symbol, we should subtract. For example, I'll give you the example even regarding that. See, 1 and V. Okay, 1 and V. See, actually, a smaller symbol is to the left. So you should always turn towards the symbol. This is the left and this is the right. Yes. So 1 is to the left of V. The value of 1 is 1 and the value of V is 5. So 5 minus, what did I tell you? I told you to subtract. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Is it clear? Yes. Is it easy for you children? Yes. Coming to the second rule, if the smaller symbol is to the right of bigger symbol is to the right of the bigger symbol, we should add. What we should do? You should add. See, suppose V 1 1. So tell me what is the answer here? V represents 5 and this represents 1 1. As the smaller symbols are to the right of the bigger one, I should add 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So what is the answer for that? 7. Yes or no? But you might wonder with this example. See, here it is repeated only for one time before, but here it is repeated for 2 times. See, can we write the numbers repeated like this? You may have a doubt. Yes, the symbols can be repeated, but there is a maximum limit. The maximum limit is 3 times for repetition. How many times, children? 3 times for repetition. Then you might ask, 3 times, oh my goodness, can all these basic symbols be repeated? No, they cannot be repeated. There are some specific symbols like V, L and D. V, L and D where they are never repeated. That means they are not used for adding. That means which is not used towards the right for adding, or they are not used towards the left for subtraction. These symbols are specific symbols where they cannot be repeated in any of the things. Yes or no? So did you understand? See, we have already given a bulletin points of 4. So if the smaller symbol is to the left of the bigger symbol, we should subtract. We should subtract what? The smaller one from the bigger one. So from bigger you should subtract. That means 5 minus 4. Okay. If the smaller symbol is to the right of the bigger symbol, we should add. So addition means you can do from a smaller number to the bigger number or bigger number to the smaller number. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. Okay. So the maximum number of times any symbol can be repeated is 3 times. The maximum number of times a symbol is repeated is 3 times. So can all the symbols be repeated? No. There are specific symbols like V, L and D where they are never repeated under any cause. Now let us see you might ask now, okay, these symbols are not repeated, right? But what are the symbols which are repeated? Yes, I will tell you that can be written. One can be written. It can be written. Okay, it can be written. Where it can be written? Before v and after v, and before x and after x. Why is it not? We cannot write one after any other symbol. No, there are specific rules which tells us that one should be written either before v or after v, or before x or after x. That's all. That means one can be written on either side of v and x. That's all. So one cannot be used with any other symbol. Okay. In the similar manner, now see x. X can be written. Where will the x be written, children? X can be written between, that means before and after L and before and after C. Okay, before and after C. See, you can write x before L and you can write x after L. You can write x before C and after C. Yes, so the next one is, what is the next one? Yes, we can write C can be written. C can be written before D and after D, and before M and after M. Yes, is that clear, children? Yes, did you understand how you should write that? Yes, ma? Yes? Yes. So, see, why there are specific things to be told like this is, for example, I'll show you a small example regarding this. See, X, L, according to this only I'm writing X before L. Yes. So, according to the rule. And then I am writing, I have written V and 3. I have repeated 3 times of 1. Now see how to write the Hindu-Arabic system for this number. First let us count. See, this value is 10. This value is 50. Okay, first let us see these both. See, you got a smaller number to the left of the bigger number. So if you get to the left of the bigger number, what you should do? Subtract. So 50 minus 10 becomes 40 here. That means your tens place is 40 here. And then the remaining number. So 40 plus 5. 5 after these numbers are written to the right. That means if they are written to the right, what you should do? You should add. Yes. So 5 plus 1, 6, 7 and 8. So it becomes 8. So the total number, the representation of this XLV111 is nothing but 48. Did you understand, children? Yes. So please check the rules. Know that the rules are very important, children, for writing. You cannot write the Roman numerals as it is, as you wish. Okay. So you should always remember all these rules in your mind, and then only you'll be able to write the Roman numerals for them. Okay. So follow the Roman numerals and then practice the Roman numerals to the Hindu-Arabic system, and Hindu-Arabic system to the Roman numerals. Thank you for watching. Share, like and subscribe.